Hi, today I'm excited to share with you a roadmap or 5 steps on how to turn your or monetize your hobby. I'm talking about making money doing what you love. So, because listen, it's time to transform your passion into a source of income. Hello, my name is Jackie. I'm here from www.jackiemckeever.com, where we help you attract your ideal client using your personality, reach your 10K coaching business goals using story selling. Listen, today I'm going to talk to you about where your passion or your hobby can pay off. And it doesn't matter whether your hobby or your passion is the fact that you love taking long drives. It could be anything. It could be you might love teaching people something, or you might love giving advice or helping people solve their own problems. All those are passions and they can be monetized. I want you to make sure that you watch all the way to the end because I'm going to give you some bonus examples. So, step one into monetizing your hobby would be to identify what you love or what you are passionate about. You want to make a big old list. It doesn't have to be big. I just said big. But you want to make a list, right? And you want to identify those things that you are really passionate about. The thing that I always suggest to my clients would be to rate them. Rate them 1 to 3. And one would be the least favorite, and the 3 would be the favorite out of the ones. So what you do is if you have, let's say you end up with, I'm going to say a random number. Say you end up with 30. So you're going to rate them 1, 2, and 3. And after you rate, at first you put the list, then you rate them, and then you're going to eliminate anything that has 1. Then you're going to eliminate anything that has 2. Then you're left with the 3s. So let's say the out of the 3, you may have 10. I'm just going to say it's a quarter. So then you would take those 3s that you have left and you would do it again. You would rate them 1 to 3, which ones you are most passionate about. And that way you will be able to identify what you want to monetize out of the list of things that you're very passionate or the hobbies that you have. Step number 2, you want to be able to stand into that space as the expert hobbyist, the creative entrepreneur. You want to showcase yourself as the experts. And you might say, well, it's a hobby of mine. I don't do it all the time. Listen, remember, you only have to be one step ahead of the people that you're helping. Now, if you feel like you need to learn more, guess what? There's an opportunity for you to learn more and do more. If you need help with the confidence, or if you just feel like you need to refine your skills, you can do that while showcasing your expertise. You can take a class, you can take a workshop, you can get in, you can sign up for a coaching program, whatever it takes so that you can get more because you are valuable as an expert. So number three is you want to establish an online or in-person presence. Now there's 3 ways to sell what you have. You can either sell it online, you can sell it in person, or you can do both, right? But you want to establish, if you want to, on this case we're talking about online. So you want to establish an online presence. Now, your online presence could be you want to set up a social media, you want to set up a blog, you may even want to start a YouTube channel. You want to make sure that you have a payment a system because people have to be able to pay you, especially if you're not seeing them in person. So step number four, you want to make time for that hobby, especially after you've monetized it. This could be uh scheduling, scheduling when you create these products or when you advertise or publicize when these products or services are available. You want to prioritize it. Okay. Because remember, your goal is skill monetization. You're monetizing your skill. Okay. It's up to you because you have the ability to craft your success. The fifth step would be networking and collaboration. The great thing about networking and collaborations, it doesn't necessarily have to be in your niche or in the hobby that you're doing, but you want to be around people because people buy from people. So next, I'm going to give you three bonuses. Remember, I said you could love taking long drive. Well, if you love taking long drives, a great uh thing for you to sell would maybe be lift services, because with the lift, you people sign up and they pay to get in your vehicle and it allows you to do long drives. Now, something like this, your online presence per se is the way that Lyft is actually playing you on your phone, your mobile phone. But the great thing is you're providing a service in person, and you're able to spend more time doing the thing that you love. Or number two, I gave the example of you loving to teach somebody something. A great way to monetize that may be becoming a YouTube creator. There's tons of YouTubes. If you're watching this video and so far I've given you some valuable information to spark your interest, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps. The third thing that I mentioned that you could be passionate about would be giving people advice or helping people come to their own solutions in their problems. And if this sounds like you, perhaps you want to explore coaching. Coaching can be done online, it can be done in person, and it can also be done a combination of the two. So if you desire to attract your I need help attracting your ideal client in your coaching business, listen, this is the channel that you want to make sure that you subscribe and click the notification so you don't miss a thing.